अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या हबीबल्लाह। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या नबी अल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या नूर अल्लाह। Dear friends, today my topic is about the signs of being from the people of paradise or hell at the time of death. It is narrated from Salman al-Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said, O Salman, shall I tell you about the signs of a person's soul departing, whether they will enter paradise or hell? Sign of a soul destined for paradise. Number 1. Sweat appears on the forehead. Number 2. The nostrils contract and expand gently. Number 3. Tears flow from the eyes. And the signs of a soul destined for hell. Number 1. Foam or froth comes out of the mouth. Number 2. The face turns yellow. Number 3. The sound from the throat resembles the braying of a camel. The Prophet, peace be upon him, concluded with the supplication, May Allah grant us all a good end. Ameen summa ameen. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Nabi Allah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Noor Allah.